Okay, number 1, find x. Opposite sides are congruent, right? So what does x equal? 12. How would we find y?
Divide.
So 3y equals 27. And divide by 3? So what does y equal? 9. Alright, the next one. How would we solve for x? 5x plus 16 plus 92. Good. Equals what?
Equals 360.
360. Okay, get your calculators out.
Okay.
294.
Plus 16. plus 16. I don't know.
So 110 or 310. So 5x plus 310 equals 360. I just dropped that 5x.
So 50.
So minus 310. So 5x equals 50. It's my last step. Divide by 5, so x equals 10. As yesterday, showing quadrilaterals are parallelograms, but it's flipping it. Okay, so instead of asking if, oh, it is the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's basically review. So to show that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. We know that. Opposite sides are parallel.
Yes.
If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its opposite sides are congruent. So we know about that. Should be opposite angles.
We get a red on it?
It should say angles.
Oh.
Opposite angles are congruent. Opposite sides, opposite angles. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Okay. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its opposite angles are congruent. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Opposite angles are congruent.
Okay.
Draw the arrows if that helps you, like I've showed you guys. Same things. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its consecutive angles are supplementary. Then the diagonals bisect each other. That's where it looks like it has an X. Oh. And then I took out that last. Okay, so tell whether the quadrilaterals are parallelograms and explain your reasoning. So what do you guys think here? What could we look at? If the opposite angles are congruent. Are the opposite angles congruent? Yeah. So we can say yes, opposite angles are congruent. Opposite. Okay, and then this side is congruent to this. So it's going to be a yes. The diagonals bisect each other. I can't even spell diagonals. What is happening? D-I... What is that even spelled right?
D-I-A-G-O-N-A-L.
Okay, it didn't look right. What do you guys think? Yes, because opposite sides are congruent. Yes, why? The opposite sides are what? No, they're not marked congruent. What are they marked?
Opposite. No. I thought you were going to say that, boy.
The opposite sides are... What do these things mean?
Side, one
Starts with a P.
Parallel.
Parallel.
Bro, you ain't get it right here, bro. Be quiet.
Talking about. Is this a yes or a no?
Yes.
No.
It's a no because the what? The diagonals,
Diagonal's not, I don't know the word.
they don't bisect.
Yeah.
Right, because this does not match up with that.
Yeah, I feel like it's kind of long far apart.
Yep. No, the diagonals do not
You were slipping on me. I was like, oh.
do not bisect each other.
Hey, you right, hey, is that a
What
four?
did
Is
that say?
that a four?
Diagonals do not bisect each other. Okay, the diagonals bisect each other. Alright, so what did we learn about today? How to prove
Y'all start telling the builder what to follow your page.
how to prove quadrilaterals are parallelograms.
Y'all be like, hey, teach the students.
Okay, thank you.
I have a YouTube channel. Y'all should subscribe. Then when you get big, you quit this job.
I love it.